Ladies and gentlemen, in this video guide we will help you to get rid of BoosterSearch.com, which is a browser hijacker. Initially, a BoosterSearch is advertised as a convenient web search. With it, the developers say you can easily search for your favorite topics, images, videos, and news directly from your browser's search bar. Well, this description is similar to the description of many other browser hijackers we've seen in the past, so there is nothing really unusual or superb in this particular extension called BoosterSearch. But when you add it to the Google Chrome browser, you will notice a lot of unwanted changes. For instance, the homepage will be changed, as well as the default search engine and the new tab URL. Furthermore, this BoosterSearch.com tries to force you into enabling its web push notifications. So do not click on the allow button to secure yourself from its unwanted ads. What to do if the extension was, if it was mistakenly added to the Google Chrome? Well, I'm not gonna add it, but I'm gonna show you how to remove it if it was added by mistake. You go to the browser menu, you click on More Tools and Extensions. So once again, you go to the browser menu, you click on More Tools, and now you select Extensions. Now you need to find some suspicious extension, for instance that BoosterSearch, directly named like that. So if you find it, you need to deactivate it and then remove it. And if you find some other suspicious extensions, you may remove them too. Finally, I also recommend that you perform additional investigation of your Mac computer with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get the fresh version of it on the website combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and start the software through the Launchpad. Initially, the program will update its antivirus database to make sure that all the adware and malware is properly detected. Once this is completed, click on Start Combo Scan button to begin the research of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus, whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode. At the end of scan, the program gives a detailed report about the current situation with your Mac. It gives you some tips how your Mac performance can be enhanced, and you may also find the information about the real security threats found by its antivirus, even in the trial mode. You may click on Review the results in the antivirus section, and the program will give you a detailed report about all real security threats found during the scan. So you may find the exact location of each threat one at a time. The program will give you the place where it is currently stored on your Mac, so you may click on this icon, Show in Finder, and then you may remove each particular item manually by right-clicking on it and moving it to the trash, or you may click on Remove All Threads button. However, in this case, the premium version will be required.